In today's video, we're going to see, will this old computer actually mine? And heads up, it has a floppy drive. Today's video is not sponsored by the guys over at DogeLordCoffee.com. Go over there and check them out. Give them some love. This is about my third or fourth bag coming from them. Look at this one here. It's freshly roasted. We have a medium. The grind is standard grind. And the origin here is Bullish Traders Roast. Go over and check that out, guys. Once again, DogeLordCoffee.com. Thanks again, guys, for being amazing. Do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dive into today's video. What is going on, miners, and welcome back to the Hobbyist Miner channel. So what are we getting ourselves into? This is the type of stuff that I love. This is that fun stuff where, like, take profitability, throw it out the window, and just have fun being a crypto miner. And that's exactly what we're doing today. So, story time. My cousin gave this to me this past weekend. He's like, I had this old computer, thought I'd throw it over to you, see what you could do with it, if it'll mine, if you could do anything, as he knows I'm into crypto mining. So I was like, sure, why not? Sounds like a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and kind of diagnose this, see what we can see. I don't even know if this thing's going to boot, to be honest with you, or even if this graphics card in here is going to work. Now, before we get into things much further, what graphics card do you think this is? Just looking from here, you can't actually see anything on any, like this little label here, can't really see anything here, and it doesn't really have like a model number or anything, and this one here doesn't either, just has a serial number. What graphics card do you think this is in this I was going to call this a mining rig. In this computer, look at this thing. It's got rust on the sides here. So pause the video, take a guess. Post it in the comments below, and then unpause the video. Okay, so what is in this thing? So it looks like we have a 700-watt power supply. It looks like I can see a sticker, a little bit Cooler Master that we have up here. We have an Asus motherboard. I see hybrid CFX back in there. USB 3, socket 942. Trying to see, there's something back in here. AM3 plus support, AM3 CPU support is what I see. So AM3 plus, so that's our socket. So okay, we have an AMD here. Good to know. Not sure much about the graphics card. Let's spin this around real quick. Okay, so it's got, God, it's so dirty, 2 DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort, if that gives you guys any hints. I'm trying to see what else here. It looks like it has a 240 gigabyte solid state drive, so that's a win, and a Western Digital 500 gigabyte hard drive. That is cool. We got 2 DIMMs of memory. I haven't pulled anything out yet. Look on the front here. Remember when we used to run these guys, like 2? When you had like one, like look at these. Man, living large here. He had 2 DVD burners, and then check out here. Half you guys on this channel don't even know what this thing is right here. You've heard about it in books. 3.5 floppy, awesome. Big ass power button here. It feels like it barely. Oh, look, it gets stuck. Oh god, that's gonna be a nightmare. Might have to use a jumper to get it started. And it looks like a reset button there too. Oh, look, this might have been some LEDs here at one point on the sides here. Maybe, taking a guess. I don't know what this is. Thursday. I don't know if that's a clothing brand. I don't know what that is. Not really sure. All right, so let's go ahead. I got a monitor, keyboard, mouse here, power cables. Oh my gosh, look how dirty that is. I don't know if the camera you can see all this dust and grossness in here. But anyways, let's go ahead. I'm going to get the power set up, and then we'll turn this on together for the very first time, see what we have in this thing. All right, we're set up. Keyboard, mouse, monitor. In the back, we have our DVI, USB, and power. Look at this. Look how butchered this case is. This is ridiculous. So one thing I noticed while I was hooking things up, that the graphics card isn't hooked up at all. So let me hook that up. That is concerning that, like, this is just like a parts rig or something, and it's not actually going to work. So we'll find out. 2 6-pins, by the way, for those of you guys that were guessing. Okay, power is on. Monitor power light is on. Let's try this power button. Oh, nothing. I think it's stuck. Oh, there we go. Check that out, red. Oh, man. Oh, turned off. Well, that was very lackluster. Let's try again. All right, I kind of pulled the button out to see what it would do. Okay, CPU fan is spinning. Oh, nothing. Monitor is blinking. I think we got a dud here, guys. Is it a complete dud? Try again one more time. Not getting anything. This is going to be a very, very sad video if nothing works. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm not even going to spend time messing with this trying to figure it out, but I am going to pull the graphics card. All right, let's get this uninstalled here. Use our handy dandy 𝐲𝐿𝐴 kit. And yeah, I hope this graphics card works, or else this is going to be a boring ass video. Okay, so let's get our 2 8 pins uninstalled, or 6 pins, sorry. 8 pins, that would be nuts. That would be a beefy card, 2 8 pins. This thing is gross. I'm going to have to wash my hands thoroughly after this. All right. Undo the butterfly. Ooh, okay. So it is a WindForce Gigabyte. So we're rocking an AMD. We do have a number here. Sorry, it might be a little hard to see. 𝐺𝐸𝐴𝐴𝐷, okay, 27OC, 2GD. Okay, something with an R9. It does say 27, but then it says OC, and then 2GD. Oh, this might be a 2 GB card. What am I going to do with this? All right, let's take a look. I'm going to get this put into HiveOS. And, oh, it looks like it maybe has had paste replaced. Doesn't have one of the stickers on it, or it fell off. I can't really see any pads or anything in there. Real small heatsink, nothing crazy. We're super cheap shroud. But anyways, let's get this installed into my test bench with HiveOS, and let's see what in the world we're dealing with, and if it even works. Okay, miners, the verdict is in. We have ourselves a Gigabyte Radeon R9 270, 2 GB GPU, 𝐿PADIA memory. I can't believe it actually even booted. It is displaying on our test rig right now, which is phenomenal. So what do you think we should mine on this? What do you mine with the 2 gig card? I thought mining with my 4 gig cards was a blast from the past now, but holy cow, 2 gigs? Pause the video, make a comment down below. What project do you guys recommend I do with a 2 GB GPU? So let's take a look at what we got here. So this here it is, the Gigabyte R9 270 WindForce 2X-OC. It looks like the release date of this was November 13th, 2013. Good to know. Our base clock 950, boost was 975, and our memory was 1400. Woo! It is GDDR5, so all right, cool. Now, I was curious. I went ahead and jumped over. Look, here it is on Gigabyte's page. I jumped over to Newegg. What am I missing here? This GPU is for sale. The model number matches for $429. So I was like, wait, what do I have here? I was very confused. So where'd I go? Over to eBay, because eBay is our source of truth. So over on eBay, I went to the bottom left, selected sold items, and at the very top here, sold 2 months ago, a Gigabyte R9 270 WindForce 2X-OC. That's what we have here. Here's our model. It is working condition for $59. Holy cow. Down below, this one sold April 10th, so a little over a month ago, for $32. And there were 10 bids, guys. 10 bids. Coming down here, here's one for parts, 99 cents. This one sold a few months back for $40. Oh, this is parts only. Now, here's some other R9s, but these are 270Xs. I'm not really sure what the difference is, but 66, 51. Crazy. I mean, if you wanted to build a rig of these, I guess you could for rather cheap. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to see if I can mine 𝐴𝐴 on this. Now, just throwing it out there, I'm not expecting profitability here, guys, or anything. This is purely for fun. So let me set this up and see if we can mine 𝐴𝐴. So it's been like 2 hours, I'm not going to lie, and we got this working. First, we struggled with getting booted into 𝐻𝐽/OS. That was on the solid-state drive side. I had a beta version of 𝐻𝐽/OS, which had some changes to the AMD drivers. It wasn't going to work for what we were doing. So I had to set up and create an actual USB 𝐻𝐽/OS. As you guys know, that takes a little bit of time to go ahead and write. We got that up and running. It was having some weird issues booting to it. Long story short, we got into 𝐻𝐽/OS, and I couldn't find anything to mine to 𝐴𝐴. I was struggling. So if you go into the flight sheet here, you know, I had my wallet address, which don't get me started on how difficult it is just to create a wallet address for 𝐴𝐴. We set up on 𝐴𝐴 pool, and then I tried LOL miner and it didn't work for the last like hour. I tried all different miners. I tried customizing the miners, configuring the miners. Finally, I rebooted the thing and bam, everything started working. So as of right now, on our R9 270, we're mining at 402 mega hash on this. And if we take a look at our watts right now, our watts are roughly 155 watts currently mining on 𝐴𝐴 right now. I couldn't tell you if that's good, bad, or ugly. I have no experience mining on 𝐴𝐴. This is my very first time actually doing it. Okay, here she is, mining away. Our Gigabyte 270. We have it up and running in 𝐻𝐽/OS, hashing away. So let me show you guys where we're going to put this. So out in our other room here, we have our little bench, our little fun, what do we call this? This is more like our experimental little bench of kind of mining whatever. You know, we built this, you guys remember, this is our $500 rig that we built with our 1660 Ti there. We have our 11060 on it. So I think I'm going to move it over and add it right here and just throw it on this rig. This is for fun. I've actually thought about, my son's 9, and I thought about, he's been really interested in getting into mining and building his own rig and kind of, you know, he wants to get paid out. If you guys remember, a long time ago, we did a video on Salad.io, which is a Windows-based program that lets you mine and get paid out in different gift cards. He wants to do this and get paid out in V-Bucks from Fortnite. So anyways, we'll talk about it. We'll see where we goes, but I'm thinking about throwing it on here. Okay, guys, that's going to wrap things up for today. Excited to see what we ended up with. Fun little project. This thing's going to get recycled and scrapped. What are you guys mining with? You got any fun little old GPUs out there that you don't have running anymore that this video has sparked your interest to go ahead and try to mine? What's the oldest GPU you got out there? Leave a comment down below. Other than that, guys, thank you guys very much for joining me today. As always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And finally, don't forget to subscribe. Take care.